All right, you guys, welcome to the other side. Thank y'all for crossing over. Um, like I said, my videos, I did the upgrade. I got approved of my upgrade. Had to pay a little more cash, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Because I can be more consistent over here with videos that have been getting blocked. You know what I mean? Or that I feel that are going to get blocked. I have more space now, right? So, if you don't understand what's going on over here, basically, like I said, my videos that get blocked, I put them over here, all right? Or videos I feel that will get blocked. That's what we doing here. Thank y'all for coming. All right, so Fool in the Rain, all right? Yes, indeed. This is the audio version. I'm trying to test out this green screen, see how this is working out on these studio audio versions or whatever. So we ain't gonna waste no more time. Let's jump right into it. Oh,
Oh, baby. Well, there's a light in your eye that keeps shining, like a star that can't wait for a night.
hey.
I hate to think I've been blinded, baby. What can I see tonight? And the warmth of your smile starts burning, and the feel of your touch gives me fright. And I'm shaking so much with the yearning. Why don't you show up and make it alright? Yeah, it's alright.
Hey.
And if you promised your love so completely, and you said you would always be true, you swore that you never would leave me, baby. Whatever happened to you?
Hey.
And you thought it was only in me, as you wished all your dreams would come true. Hey, it ain't the first time, believe me, baby. I'm standing here feeling blue. Yeah, I'm blue.
So groovy.
Oh, baby. Now I will stand in the rain on the corner. I watch the people go shuffling downtown. Another 10 minutes, no longer. And then I'm turning around, round. And the clock on the wall's moving slower. My heart it sinks to the ground. And the storm
So it's saying here, this song is about a guy who is supposed to meet a woman on a certain corner. When the woman doesn't show up, he thinks he's been stood up. It turns out he was just standing on the wrong corner. And now is a fool in the rain. Hey man, that had such a great groove to it. I just want to like close my eyes and just boom dum 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 dum. Oh man, you know Led Zeppelin, they're so great, so great. I'm just happy to be able to find a way to get them on this channel over here, you know. But like I said, since my account now has been upgraded, you know, I should be able. I'm more excited about not just doing reactions, but I'm more excited for the videos that actually get blocked because when I do them over there and they get blocked, sometimes I have to wait to see if they're going to be able to stay up. Sorry. I have to wait to see if I have enough space over here to upload it. But now that I have a little more space, I still don't know how many videos I can upload, but I can do more. So yeah, man, thank y'all for that request. I truly appreciate it. And like I said, I'm just trying to try out this green screen, man, just to see, just to see how it works. So thank you guys. I truly appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If so, go ahead, like. Nope, you say that over there. Y'all stay safe. Peace out.